mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Alrighty guys, so today's video we're gonna be doing another unboxing. I mean, what's new, right? I always do unboxing on my YouTube channel because that's what I love to do. I like to share all my stuff with you guys. I mean, not all my stuff, okay? Maybe you can take my fiance, but not everything. I'm just kidding. Anyways guys, can you guys see any difference? Can you guys see any difference on me? Gosh, Monica, you don't know how to speak it in English. Do you notice anything different? OMG, I finally got my nails done. Finally, look how cute that is. It's been about almost 3 months. Can you believe that? I almost forgot how it feels like to have nails because guys, you know, I can't pick my nose anymore. I can't button my shirt. No, I'm just kidding. But you know how it is when you just gotten your nails done and you feel like you can't do anything. Also guys, I am almost to 2,000 subscribers. Please keep on subscribing. I'm so excited, I can't even talk. I am almost to 2K subscribers. Of course there's gonna be another giveaway. I actually did a poll on my channel asking what brand do you guys prefer. Do you guys prefer Coach or Longchamp? And I think it's like almost 50-50, but a lot of you did choose Coach, so I'm thinking that's gonna be my giveaway for when I reach 2K subscribers. So stay tuned guys. I'm so like excited to do more giveaways for you guys. I didn't even think that I would reach to this point, but Monica, why are you being so dramatic? Let's just get on with the unboxing because guys, I'm so excited to show this to you. This one actually doesn't come out until June 26th, which is, you know, tomorrow by the time I post this video. Yeah, I was able to pre-order this and it's inside this box guys. I just got it today, so let's get on. First, I'm gonna take off the ribbon, of course, and then you have the card if you want to gift it away. Oh my gosh, it opened up guys. I'm so sorry. I mean, it's gonna be funny to see how I looked on the video when I edit this. But yeah, this is what the box looks like. Do you guys have any idea of what this is? So you probably already saw it, but there you go guys. I just have my receipt in here and then the return label if I do end up not loving it. I said I wasn't gonna get this guys, but when they came out with this size, I had to get it. It's just so cute guys. Are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. OMG guys, it's so cute. This is the Nano knees. I mean, let's face it, all this makeup is not gonna fit in here, so I'm definitely gonna be using this as a small, you know, mini bag. But that's what it looks like guys. Oh my gosh. So you have the LV initials with the brushed gold hardware. This is what it looks on the side. It's really tiny. I'm actually gonna bring out my Nano Speedy, that way I can compare it to you guys on how big it is. But this one seems like smaller compared to the Nano Speedy. So that's what it looks like. And then on the top it says Louis Vuitton Paris. Oh my gosh guys, it's so cute. Look how tiny it is compared to my face, and I have big face, but look at that. Oh my gosh, let's open it up. Ooh, it's kind of hard to open up, but hopefully, you know, if I keep, or when I keep using it, it just loosen up a little bit. But this is what it looks inside. You have the, what do you call, it's just like I guess, you know, a booklet to learn how to take care of your bags. Oh my gosh, so that's what it looks inside. It's like a care booklet. And then inside you have the textile card and then the product number. If you guys want to know what the product number is, this is what that is. And this one is made in Italy, guys. How freaking cute! Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. It'll definitely fit all my essentials because as you guys know, I don't really carry a lot of stuff, and you know, I just carry essentials like keys, lotion. I mean, lotion is not an essential, but cell phones. I mean, how many cell phones do I have? I mean, cell phone. I'm gonna show you really quickly what fits inside. So definitely you're gonna need your phone, of course. This one is the iPhone 11 Pro, and that fits there perfectly. You guys already know what I carry on a daily basis, but I have my key pouch where I just put all my credit cards in there. Also my 6 key ring, of course. You have to have this because you can't go anywhere without your keys. So that fits there with no problem as well. And there's a pretty good amount of space there still. I'm gonna be adding my hand sanitizer because this is essential, especially during this time. Wait, actually, let me put my lotion first. There you go. That one fits there perfectly. I suck at this, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hand sanitizer. Oops, I don't think that's gonna fit. Maybe it'll fit on the top. Yeah, okay, so that will fit there on the top. Of course, I would carry my perfume, so that fits there with no problem. I can definitely add, like, put lipstick or my mask in there. But let me see if I can close it up first. Guys, my hand's sweaty, that's why I have to hold it like this. It's gonna patina, it's gonna like ruin the lining. But it's kind of tough to close, but there you have it, guys. It does fit. Oh my gosh, it fits everything that I need. It's definitely, it has a weight to it now, of course, but that's what it looks like, guys. My gosh, you'll like when you open this, you'll definitely have to put it down because it's kind of hard to open and close it. So I have the Nano Speedy with me. This is the side-by-side comparison. As you can see, this is definitely bigger compared to the Nice Nano or Nano Nice, and it's taller as well. So that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, guys, they are both so cute. I just wish they put a strap on this because, you know, it's pretty, the handle is pretty tiny, you know, like your hands are definitely, or your fingers are definitely gonna be snug in there. But yeah, I can put maybe a D-ring and just add a strap on it. So that's not really a problem for me. But yeah, that's what it looks like side by side. I'm also gonna put the mini pochette, that way you guys can see how big it is. I would say, I mean, I would say the mini pochette is even wider compared to the Nice Nano, as you can see. But the height is pretty much almost the same. So yeah, guys, I don't know the measurements for this, but if I do find it, because it's not currently available online yet, like I said earlier, it's gonna be released on the 26th. Once this one is released, I'm gonna be putting the measurements down below if you guys wanna, you know what the measurements are. It's so tiny. I'm so excited to use this. I'm definitely gonna put a strap on this, that way I can use it as a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. Wow, so cute. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this little cutie. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also hit that notification bell, that way you can get notified every time I upload. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.